Okay, potato chip. I think Mickey D's are here. I got the Big Mac. Okay, I'm not sure if he got you a burger because that is too much money. Bob couldn't pay for it. What? Hey, at least you got your Mickey Nuggets. Okay, fine. Where's my McDonald's? Where my McDonald's? I don't know. Oh, there's your McDonald's. McDonald's! Happy Meal. Ketchup. Okay, just make sure they're not human chicken nuggets like last time you had Mickey D's. Fine. Let's see what I got you. Some napkins. I got some fries. Got me some chicken nuggets. Got me some apple slices. I got this thing. Kung Fu Panda. What? Is he trying to say something, Red? What, the chicken nuggets? No. Oh, and I also got a straw. Ow, my eye. Ugh. Potato chips. I don't want the apple slices. Ow, 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 ow. Why did you use my eye, dude? Yep. I am so upset with you, potato chip. Go ahead and eat your Mickey D's or whatever. Okay. Please don't eat me. Potato chip? Potato chip, what's wrong? I love talking French fry. They do taste good. Please don't eat me. I'll just have a chicken fingers. Ooh, chicken. Don't eat me. I'm gonna bark blood. It's raining. Potato chips? No more recording of you eating McDonald's.